44 and 52 round fridge magnets and badge setup. Hi, welcome to Kushi Kitchens. We are currently having 44-52 round badge and fridge magnet setup. Earlier we purchased this machine as an upgrade from our old setup. However, we are now seeing higher demands for square fridge magnets in the market. So we are planning to replace our current round setup with a square magnet setup.